Hello student, my name is Devendra Singh. I am teaching you solution, dilute solution and colligative properties. Raoult's law. Raoult's law states that in a solution the vapor pressure of a component at a given temperature is equal to the mole fraction of the component in the solution multiplied by the vapor pressure of that component in the pure state. Mathematically, Pi is equal to Xi into P naught. This is a binary solution. This is the equation number first. Vapor pressure of the solvent in the solution is equal to mole fraction of the solvent in solution ये Xi हुआ into vapor pressure of the pure solvent. Equation number first. Now if the solute is non-volatile, it will not contribute to the total vapor pressure of solution. Thus, the vapor pressure of the solution will be the vapor pressure due to solvent in the solution only. On page number first. On page number 2, for such solution, vapor pressure of the solution is equal to the mole fraction of the solvent in the solution into vapor pressure of the pure solvent. Or in terms of symbol, we can write Ps is equal to x1 into P naught, equation number 2. This can be written in the form Ps upon P naught is equal to x1, equation number 3. If the solution contains N2 moles of solute dissolved in N1 moles of solvent, we have mole fraction of the solvent in solution x1 is equal to N1 upon N1 plus N2. Substituting these values in the equation third, we get Ps upon P naught is equal to N1 upon N1 plus N2. Subtracting each side from 1, we get 1 minus Ps upon P naught is equal to 1 minus N1 upon N1 plus N2, or P naught minus Ps upon P naught is equal to N2 upon N1 plus N2, equation number 4 on page number 2. On page number 3, in this expression, P naught minus Ps is the lowering of vapor pressure, P naught minus Ps upon P naught is called relative lowering of the vapor pressure. N2 upon N1 plus N2 represent the mole fraction of the solute in the solution. Hence, the expression fifth may be expressed in words as follows. The relative lowering of the vapor pressure of a solution containing a non-volatile solute is equal to the mole fraction of the solute in the solution. This is another definition of Raoult's law. Number 2, relationship between the mole fraction of the component in the liquid phase and in the vapor phase. Consider a binary solution of the two components A and B. Let us suppose Xa and Xb are their mole fraction in the liquid phase on page number 3. On page number 4, and P naught A and P naught B are their vapor pressure in the pure state. The partial pressure of A and B will be given P is equal to Xa into X naught A and Pb is equal to Xb into P naught B. Let us further suppose that Ya and Yb are the mole fraction of A and B in the vapor phase. Ya and Yb can be calculated as under. Ya is equal to Pa upon Pa plus Pb is equal to Xa into P naught A upon Xa P naught A plus Xb into P naught B, equation number first. Ya is equal to 1 minus Xb bracket close P naught A divided by 1 minus Xb bracket में P naught A plus Xb P naught B. Ya is equal to 1 minus Xb P naught A divided by P naught B minus P naught A bracket close Xb plus P naught A, equation number second. Yb is equal to Pb upon Pa plus Pb is equal to Xb P naught B divided by Xa P naught A plus Xb P naught B, equation number third. Yb is equal to Xb P naught B divided by P naught B minus P naught A bracket close Xb plus P naught A, equation number 4. On dividing equation third by the equation first, we get Yb upon Ya is equal to Xb P naught B divided by XA P naught A is equal to XB upon XA into P naught B upon P naught A, equation number 5 on page number 4. On page number 5, thus if B is more volatile than A, comma, that is P naught B greater than P naught A or P naught B divided by P naught A greater than 1, then YB upon YA greater than XB upon XA. This means that vapor pressure is richer in the more volatile component B than the liquid phase from which the vaporize. This result is known as Koneval-Off rule. Lowering of the vapor pressure figure is given on page number 5. That's all for today.